Today, we're announcing the deployment of 100 vending machines across the island in 56 locations. And these vending machines further provide individuals who have been issued with health risk warnings or health risk alerts with the opportunity to get test kits at any time of the day from tomorrow. If you are symptomatic and have fever, respiratory symptoms, or loss of smell and taste, we continue to strongly encourage you to attend at a SASH clinic where your family doctor may perform a PCR test on you to exclude COVID-19 infection. And while awaiting a test result, we ask that you return home and self-isolate. It is important that you do not continue to work or to further engage in social activities, coming into contact with other people. And this will help to avoid further spread of COVID-19 to other people. And if you're diagnosed to have COVID-19 infection, we will assess you further to determine whether you can safely recover at home in self-isolation. And this will be the default recovery setting for most people. There are others who are unable to safely do so, or those who have risk factors which benefit from closer monitoring. And these individuals may then recover in the community care facilities or CCF or in the hospital. We have published a guide earlier in the week to explain what to do if your PCR test is positive and the options for recovery, particularly at home. But for those of you who are asymptomatic and who have performed an ART test and that test result is positive, please do not continue to go to work or continue your social activities. We encourage you then to stay at home for at least 72 hours. And that allows you then to safely recover during that period of time, monitoring your own health and not then spreading infection potentially to any other people. At the end of that 72 hours, we would encourage you to do another ART test. And if your second ART test is now negative, you can then have the peace of mind knowing that you have recovered from your infection, and then you can progressively resume your normal activities. If, on the other hand, you're unwell at any time during this period of self-isolation, please visit your GP as soon as possible so that your GP can reassess you and, if needed, perform a PCR test to clarify your status and your situation. And he will then give you further advice on what to do next.